How to transfer GCredit to your GCash wallet. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to easily transfer your GCash credit to your GCash wallet. First thing first, open up your GCash and make sure to log into your account. Then simply tap on View All Services tab. And once you get here, find the Borrow section and then tap on the Borrow option. Then once you tap on it, you'll have an option to get a GCredit. So tap on GCredit, then go to the option where it says go to G loan, tap on it, and here you'll find all of the loan details like your interest rate, your processing fee, and other stuff. Now tap on get started and then select all of your details, like select an installment plan, then select your purpose of the loan, and finally tap on get this loan, and you should be able to transfer your GCash credit to your G wallet. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.